welcome to 151 Garage. I'm Jill.
I'm Jill's cameraman, her husband Sean.
And today we're going to do something to the Badlands that we've already done to the Big Bend. We put a smooth style Archetype Racing BAM in it, and it was Graphite Black.
Yeah.
So this is the Graphite Black color.
So the Graphite Black, let me stop you right there. The Graphite Black is a really dark gray.
Yeah.
It matches the interior of the Broncos
Like
almost perfect. So that's...
And we were looking more for like a camo type thing, and that really blends in. So that leaves us with a predicament of two items that we're currently not using, and that is the bronze colored Picatinny style BAM and the black Picatinny rail tap. So here's what we were thinking. We were thinking about doing a giveaway at 3,000 subscribers.
Obviously, when we hit 3,000 subscribers, we would put the requirements to be able to enter. It will go to a subscriber. Obviously, you'll have a choice between the tap or the BAM, depending on your requirements or your wants or needs. It will be totally up to you. And again, it will be something simple. You don't have to buy any t-shirts. Obviously, we don't have any for sale, so it's not spend $1 and get a vote or whatever.
Yeah.
But it'll be, all you'll have to do is subscribe, and there will be some other things that you need to do in the comments, and it will last the full month.
Yeah, we'll do a whole video of just the giveaway. It's just a separate little video, what the rules are going to be, how to enter it in. Like you said, it's going to last for 30 days, and we'll do that.
It'll be pretty simple. Again, like, subscribe, notify. That way, when it does come up, you don't miss it. It won't be one video and that's it. It will be multiple videos that you can actually put your vote in for. So to give you kind of an idea of what it's going to be is you will be able to watch the videos and make comments or make a certain comment in the video for each video that month. It'll be one entry per video per comment. So obviously you can't throw a million comments out there on one video because it won't count. It'll just be one comment per video, just some comments.
Some comments, and just make sure that you have your notifications turned on. So just click that bell and just make sure that you hit all, and that way you don't miss our video for the giveaway, the rules and everything then.
Yeah, and also be on the lookout on Instagram as well. We'll be putting there as well as Twitter, though we're really not that active in Twitter. It's mainly Instagram. Also on our webpage, it'll be on our webpage as well. If you guys haven't been there, it's 151garage.com. We will put all that stuff in there for the giveaway. But
nothing. I just got to come up with a way to do all that on the site.
Well, that's your full-time job now. Guess what?
I know.
Anyways, so what we're going to do is she is going to install this one. I installed the last one. I'm going to let her install this one. This is her truck. Bronco, sorry, my bad. A lot of people get mad that I say truck, or people say truck. It's not a truck. It's an SUV, whatever. It's my vehicle. I can call it whatever I want. We're going to put this in a Prius.
It's a truck. I don't care. In a way, it's a truck because it's on a truck frame. So.
Anyways, we're going to put this in there. She's going to put this in there, and, you know, we're going to see how we like it. So we'll cut to her trying to install the 5 screws. I think she can handle that. She's a YouTuber now. She can handle anything.
I'm going to put this in my expensive Prius that burns gas.
The 14 mile per hour or 14 mile per gallon Prius. Anyways, see you out there. When Archetype Racing sends it to you, it does come in 5 pieces. It comes in the 2 ends, obviously left and right, or left and right. for us military people. It comes in 2 of the Picatinny styles, so they're the length of these right here, and it comes in a center section. These 2 are interchangeable. You can put them on either side, doesn't matter. And then obviously you have your right and your left.
And
I got it. And then obviously the center. It comes in, now you have 4 bolts that are button top, like a button head bolt, and you have a flat head which goes in the center. So Jill will go ahead and put that on. You might want to take the tape off the bottom first.
Oh, yeah.
Because you're not going to be able to do it.
So there's going to be double-sided tape, just like the last one. There's the red on that, so you pull that off. Obviously, you want to make sure your dash is clean ahead of time, but this is so new. There's really nothing on it. So I'm not going to clean it.
Yeah, we haven't used any cleaners or anything like that.
Yeah.
I'm going to let you get that one off. I can't get it off with one hand. It keeps moving.
I still have to detail it.
Now you leave the 4 bolts loose, or the 4 button heads loose. That way you can still maneuver it around and move it around and make sure it's all straight when you put it in there. And then cinch them down, press it down on the end so you can get the double-sided tape to stick, and then obviously put the centerpiece in.
So you want to just not press the end down just yet. You want to put that in first, and then once you get it situated, you can press the end down.
Yeah,
and then we're going to use this because we do have tint on our windows.
Yeah, you want to make sure that you don't scratch the window. This is tinted, so we don't want to leave a line across it
So
or anything.
don't, just like what we did with the Big Ben, don't be cranking down on this thing because you will break it.
Yeah, just
So
enough
just-
to hold it
yeah.
still.
Just enough to where you don't have any, or when you have resistance on it, that's it.
Now,
Don't
if Jill wants to come to this side, she can torque up these. I'll hold the end piece still. She can reach over.
Yeah.
That way it won't move when she tightens it down. There you go. And then tighten the next one over.
Snug.
So the one thing about this one is, let me see that real quick. This one right here with the Picatinny, it actually stays in the slot like this. With the one that actually is smooth, you can actually slide it back and forth. Either way, it's really nice, whichever way you work. Those work for both, and I'll put a link for those down below. They actually work wonders, and it comes with the 1/4 by 28, I believe. It's the standard thread for any kind of camera or anything like that. So it works. We've ordered a ton of these things. We absolutely love them. We use them on every rail we have. So obviously you can put whatever you need up here, GoPro, camera, your phone. In fact, you want to pull that out?
iPhone thing.
Yeah, so we have a phone holder as well.
You're gonna open it.
Just pulled it completely out. It was open. It's
I didn't know. I'm sorry.
Oh crap, she broke it.
I didn't break it.
You broke it.
I didn't break it.
You really did break it, didn't you? It's backwards.
Is it?
She
No, it
broke
is.
it. She broke it. She broke it.
Oh, okay. I see. I see.
Good thing you're editing this one.
That's why I like the little knobbies on the back.
Yeah, you can always move it around. That thing spins, so
But anyway, there you go.
yeah. So
Put
I'll
your
put a
iPhone
link.
here.
I'll put a link for that too. It is a iPhone or a phone holder. Closes down. We actually can put the iPhone on there. iPhone 12 Plus Max, whatever the largest iPhone they had at the time when we bought the 12.
Yeah. 12 Pro Max.
12 Pro Max, that's what it is. Now, again, like I said, we really like this style and like this color because it really blends in. It makes it look almost stock, like it was meant to be there. We were gonna choose the bronze for this one, but we actually, when we put the other one in just to see, we actually liked it so much we chose not to do it.
Yeah, I really like this because in a way it almost invisible. It looks stock.
Except for the big
iPhone
gadgets
thing.
all over it. Yeah, it looks invisible.
Yeah, until you have all the cameras set up on here.
Yeah. When nothing's on it, it looks visible.
Invisible.
Yeah. Invisible. Sorry.
So
invisible.
I'm gonna go ahead and pull this thing down because my OCD's kicking in.
That's why I just put it in there.
Yeah.
Now, hopefully, you know, you guys like the idea of the giveaway. This won't be the first giveaway. We do plan on doing a lot more giveaways. You know, we're trying to make it a little more interesting for you guys, especially, you know, for the non-subscribers yet who
watch but haven't subscribed.
Yeah, watch who haven't subscribed. Now maybe it'll give you a reason. This won't be the first giveaway. We'll be doing plenty of others. We already have other things planned. Obviously, we're not going to go so far as to give away a Bronco or anything like that. We don't make enough off of YouTube to be able to do that. So also, we don't have any merch yet. That'll be coming later on.
That'll be in the near future.
Yeah. So again, you know, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Keep an eye on both Instagram, YouTube, and our webpage to find out about what's coming up for giveaways. We will put a page in there for what we're giving away at whatever time. So she'll make another section of the page, as well as we'll be announcing on YouTube and Instagram as well, and what you need to do to win that. So again, thank you for watching. We absolutely love the rails that Archetype Racing makes for obvious reason. We have 2 of them, and who knows, probably a 3rd one for the next one, but we'll see. We're open for different ideas.
Yeah, new designs and new companies.
Yep. Anyways.
Doesn't hurt to try everything out. I mean, that's really the cool thing about the aftermarket parts world. You can try a product out, and if you absolutely love it, just keep buying from that company, or make it your own.
We do have some other things coming from Archetype Racing whenever they finish producing or designing and producing them. So again, thank you for Archetype Racing for making such a good product, and also hope
that's for the Bronco Sport, right?
No, I'm talking about the handle.
Oh yeah, I forgot about those.
We have some things. We also, we don't talk about the Bronco Sport, not yet. Anyways, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We might have some more information about different things coming out for us from different companies, as well as the giveaways. Again, talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.